Alright folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with 127,000 miles. Original black on black. This was a highway patrol vehicle. This was a commander's take-home unit for the highway patrol. There you go folks, I said it backwards. I apologize. I'm just getting started and I'm already making mistakes. Alright folks, this was a former highway patrol commander's vehicle, take-home vehicle. Original black on black from factory. The vehicle does have some scratches, some chips on the front end from road hazard from being on the highway. About 3 door dings on this unit. That is it. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. And yes, the department also did put some work in it. I will go through those services when I go make my way around the vehicle into the hood. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have rear window tint only. There is a very light shaded tint on the front windows. It does protect you from the sun. Some type of a special film, I guess. But yes, the front windows are tinted, but they do have some type of a see-through sun protected tint film on those windows. And as you guys can see, the vehicle does have the straight appearance package wheels. That is how the car came to me when I purchased it. And once again, being a commander's unit, I'm gonna say that the officer assigned to this vehicle did not want to have the steel wheels, and he wanted to look apart from the rest of the police vehicles out there. When I used to work for the department, we used to get that a lot. Some officers will have us swap out their wheels to something regular so that people wouldn't know what they were out on the highway. Once again, this is a sleeper. Vehicle does have rear working backup sensors and camera from factory. The vehicle does have one hole on the trunk lid. You can see the clear silicone here. I decided to leave this alone. If you are the customer and you are interested in the vehicle, you can tell me to leave it alone, or you can say, hey Mario, let me install, can you install an antenna back here? Yes, I can. I do have them in stock, but I just wanted to leave it alone because I don't know what the new customer is going to want to do. Once again, folks, the vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, everything does work. She is in immaculate running condition and shape, and there is just something about this vehicle, folks. The performance that this vehicle has is second to none. I mean, you step on it, she will pick up. She won't even think about it. Definitely different. You know, I'm always waiting for you, right? Yeah, I'm always waiting for you. I'm just waiting for you to get out of your garage. I'm right here. You knew it. You knew it. All right, folks, as you guys already know, I'm always on the way of my neighbors here. Let's get back to it. This vehicle is in amazing running condition and shape, folks. You step on her, she will pick up and go without any issues. The vehicle does have a nice set of rubber. Those are going to be the Firestone Firehawks 225/60 18s, if I'm not mistaken, if I can remember correctly. The alloy wheels look very, very nice. It's a nice touch. Yeah, it actually makes the car look kind of fat, and I like that. No signs of equipment ever being installed on the vehicle or spotlights. Once again, this was a commander's unit. And they do have the flashy things, but they're very low-key about it. I do have a nice set of lights and lessons in the front. Everything does work. Once again, I did replace the light bulbs with the new Sylvania HCX, something like that. Light bulbs, those are the brighter ones, especially when you're driving down the road at night. Those do tend to shine up a little bit better than the regular halogen bulbs. I forgot what the proper term was for those Sylvania new light bulbs that came out, but I like them. I do use them in all my Chargers, Ford Tauruses as well. Let's go inside real quick, show you what we got to work with. Folks, before I forget, I do got to tell you that the vehicle does have new brakes and rotors all around from the department. The brakes are going to be by Top Cop Performance Brakes, front and rear. As you guys can see, I do have a matching interior, carpeted floors with matching floor mats. All seat belts and buckles are in place, folks. Door panels are rear door panels are fully functional from inside and out of the car. So if you do have passengers in the rear, they'd be able to exit out on their own. Nice door panels all around. No tears in the carpet. Driver's side seat is in comfortable shape. Passenger side seat, I don't think nobody ever sat there. I don't think anybody ever sat there. I do have a OEM center console that came with the vehicle. Now folks, keep in mind this is going to be the police prep vehicle, so I don't have a shifter on the floorboard. It's on the steering column. Okay, honk does work. Vehicle did come with 2 keys. They are working, and I did put new batteries on both key fobs. Let's get inside of the car. Let's fire her up. Turn down the radio there for us. Sorry, pressure lights are up, folks. I was messing around with the light switch there. Vehicle does have 127,000 miles. Let me close up here. With only 1,473 idle hours. Okay, that is it. 4,200 idle hours lifetime. That second clock starts when the vehicle leaves the factory. Okay, so what we're looking at is a 1,400. That's what you want to go with. Everything does work in the vehicle. Stereo, sorry, let me clean this up. Stereo, air conditioner is nice and cold. Once again, 2 key fobs. The let me turn it on. The center console does light up very nice. The cup holders light up white. You can see the blue light over there. Vehicle does have a manual inside there, factory manual. I do have the original window sticker for the vehicle, just so you guys know. I do have the maintenance history for this vehicle from beginning to end, just so you know. Honk does work. Courtesy lights do work. When the map lights do work, when you open the doors, the lights will come on. So yeah, the blackout feature is enabled on this one. Once again, this was not a patrol unit. This was a more like a straight appearance package Dodge Charger for the police. Touchscreen, as you guys already know, you can control everything from here and here on the steering wheel. Okay, working cruise control. Vehicle does have a factory Bluetooth as well. Yes, it does work, so you can talk right through the vehicle, the speakers. All right, let's continue. If I do forget something, folks, I will make sure I mention it on my eBay description. Let me clean it up here for us. All right, folks, this is the trunk. The vehicle does have a engine cover. That's what came with the vehicle, but I had my detail crew clean everything out, so they usually put it in the trunk for me. So yeah, that goes with the vehicle. If you are the customer, you want to leave it in there, I'll leave it in there. I can install it for you on top of the hood. It just kind of like snaps on. Or if you don't want it, I can remove it. That's not a problem. LED lights, trunk lid does work. We're gonna go under the hood now. This is a clean and clear title, folks, before I forget. Paint is very nice. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing this one back to life. Everything does work. DLRs work on this one. DLRs are going to be the outline on the actual headlight, which is the white one right there. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been fully detailed, and she doesn't need anything whatsoever but fuel to keep her going. This is the engine. No funny ticks, no funny noises, no funny smells, no funny clunks, nothing. Very smooth, very fast, very comfortable. Let me be quiet so you can hear the engine real quick. You hear the fans engaging. All right, folks, starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Vehicle does have a fresh full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. I do have a new OEM purge valve, solenoid purge valve on this one. The one that the vehicle came with, it was making noise, so I replaced it. This is a common failure on Dodge Charger, folks, that 90% of the time I'm replacing them. Okay, transmission was also serviced, and I did go with ATF Plus 4 by Mopar fluid and filter. Vehicle does have a brand new cabin filter. The vehicle does have new OEM, 16 new OEM irradiant spark plugs on this one by Champions. So yes, new spark plugs. Suspension is nice and tight. From that department, folks, vehicle does have a new thermostat. Okay, vehicle does have a new tensioner, new belt. Vehicle does have a new radiator, you can see right through it, and the vehicle does have a new radiator fan assembly. Okay, so yes, whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they were on top of it. They were on top of it. What else? Am I forgetting anything? No, I think that should do it. One last final looks, folks. The clock is ticking, so I gotta go. If you guys are interested in the market for a nice looking Dodge Charger, powerful, smooth, sleeper, this is it right here, folks. If you're interested, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can reach some type of agreement, and I can put you behind the wheel of this gorgeous looking vehicle. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. God bless and take care.